So I'm João Paulo Macedo Melo. It's a long name, kind of common kind of name in Brazil, I guess. And I'm from Brazil, and I joined Cubewise now. It's completing 4 years in Cubewise in Australia. So I joined Cubewise as a TM1 consultant. I think it was at the beginning, back in Brazil, when I was learning the first little bits and pieces of TM1. I found out that in TM1 we could spread data, spread numeric data. That was kind of incredible, because I knew that we could do calculations, right? Do consolidations, and it's kind of a TM1 was a kind of a corporate Excel, a more Excel with a better governance. But if you can spread, it means that, well, you start in a bottom-up kind of inserting your numbers, and then at a certain point you can just make one big modification top-down, and with one cell you can spread that value across thousands of different cells. That was, okay, that's impressive. This is a really good technology. Well, I joined one consultancy in Brazil, and they were IBM partner for a few years already, but at that point they were starting moving from only hardware and IBM hardware and infrastructure to also IBM software. So not only the Cognos family at the time, but also Tivoli and I guess WebSphere, all IBM catalog. And at that point they started working with TM1 and Cognos BI as well, and then they thought, well, we need more personnel to deal with those specific technologies, so they needed guys not from more hardware or from a system admin background, but for a more accounting or business type of background. I guess TM1 will continue expanding to more web-based and cloud kind of environments and interfaces. I'm afraid TM1 will become one thing only for big corporations. I would like to see TM1 spreading to small business, smaller and smaller business as well. I don't know if that's in IBM's roadmap. I would like to see that, but definitely what I think it will be more centralized. It will be more cloud-based and not more on-premise. But I guess the main capabilities, the main function of TM1 in the business will still be the same, for a long time, I guess.
In the universe of TM1, the Lightbulb moment is described as the phenomenon of clarity that a business developer or manager has once encountering the advantages of TM1. We asked Cubewisers to share their Lightbulb moments. This is what they had to say.